Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks is probably one of the most sought-after smoking experiences for those who appreciate a premium blend, offering a unique and satisfying way to enjoy your favorite tobacco. These sticks are meticulously crafted to deliver a consistent and flavorful smoke, making them a top choice for discerning smokers looking for quality and convenience in every puff. If you're searching for an elevated smoking ritual that combines tradition with modern presentation, these tobacco sticks are definitely worth exploring. Number 5. Raw Cones Classic King Size. Introducing the classic king size cones from Raw. These are designed for a slow and smooth burn, ensuring a perfect smoking experience every time. Crafted from high-quality paper, these cones offer a clean taste and an even burn. You'll notice the difference in every puff. The king size ensures you have enough for a satisfying session. They are pre-rolled for your ultimate convenience, saving you time and effort. Each pack comes complete with tips and packing tubes. This means you have everything you need to pack and enjoy them right out of the box. Get great value with 50 cones in every pack. This generous quantity ensures you're always prepared for your next smoke. Experience a truly slow burn with these expertly crafted cones. They are made to last, allowing you to savor the moment without rushing. What we like. If you're looking for a convenient way to roll, these are perfect. They offer a slow burn for a longer experience. If you value ease and consistency in your rolling, consider these. What people say. The Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks offer a smooth and consistent burn, allowing for an enjoyable smoking experience. These sticks are crafted with high-quality tobacco, providing a rich and satisfying flavor profile that discerning smokers will appreciate. The convenient stick format makes them easy to handle and use, perfect for on-the-go enjoyment without compromising on taste or quality. Number 4. Powermatic 2 Electric Cigarette Injector. Introducing the Powermatic 2, the electric cigarette injector machine designed for ease of use. Make your own cigarettes quickly and efficiently with this powerful device. Achieve consistent, perfectly packed cigarettes with every use. Its advanced mechanism ensures a smooth and reliable experience, saving you time and effort. Take control of your smoking costs. By making your own cigarettes, you can enjoy significant savings without compromising on quality. Operating this machine is incredibly simple, yet it delivers professional quality results. Just load your tobacco and paper, and let it do the work. Built with durability in mind, this injector is made to last. Enjoy countless perfectly made cigarettes with a machine you can depend on. What we like. For those who want perfectly packed cigarettes every time with minimal effort, this machine is ideal. It provides speed and uniformity. If you're seeking efficiency and a professional finish, you should choose this. What people say. The Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks offer a smooth and consistent burn, ensuring a pleasant smoking experience from start to finish. Each stick is carefully crafted with high-quality tobacco, providing a rich and satisfying flavor profile that discerning smokers will appreciate. The convenient stick format makes them easy to handle and use, perfect for on-the-go enjoyment without compromising on quality or taste. Number 3. Fire Starter Squares, 160 count. Introducing our Fire Starter Squares, designed to make lighting fires effortless. Perfect for campfires, charcoal grills, and wood stoves, they ensure a quick and easy start every time. Forget about lighter fluid or electric torches. These natural fire starters are completely odorless, providing a safe and clean way to ignite your fire without any unpleasant smells. Don't let the weather stop your fun. Our fire starters are water resistant and can burn for up to 6 minutes, even in damp conditions. Keep the fire going, rain or shine. These are a must-have for any camping or hiking trip. They are the perfect addition to your fire pit accessories, helping you get a blazing fire in an instant. Take the heat with you wherever you go. Our fire starter pack is ideal for fishing trips, cooking outdoors, or even for creating a cozy fireplace indoors. Enjoy warmth and convenience anywhere. Using them couldn't be easier. No kindling or paper is needed. Each starter is individually packaged, so just light it up for a reliable and consistent burn. What we like. If you need a reliable way to start fires in any condition, these are your go-to. They are designed to light easily and burn even when wet. For campers, grill masters, or anyone needing dependable fire starters, these are a must-have. What people say. The Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks offer a smooth and consistent burn, allowing for an enjoyable smoking experience. These sticks are well constructed and hold their shape well, preventing any unraveling during use. The aroma produced by the Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks is pleasant and not overpowering, adding to the overall satisfaction. Number 2. Speedball Block Printing Baren 4 inches, 4139. Introducing the Speedball Baren, your essential tool for creating stunning block prints. This 4-inch diameter tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Experience an ultra-smooth glide across your paper thanks to the Nitex nylon face. This ensures effortless application and a flawless finish every time. Achieve superior results compared to using your hands. It evenly distributes pressure, resulting in a more vibrant and detailed ink image. Enjoy a comfortable printing experience with its smooth, wooden handle. Its ergonomic design is perfectly sized for everyone's grip. This high-quality block printing tool is proudly manufactured in the USA. Trust in its durability and craftsmanship. What we like. If you're serious about creating crisp, clear prints, this tool is essential. Its smooth surface ensures even ink transfer for professional results. For artists seeking precision and comfort in their printmaking process, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks offer a convenient and pre-portioned way to enjoy your pipe tobacco. These sticks are designed for easy handling and consistent packing, ensuring a smooth smoking experience. The blend provides a rich and satisfying aroma, characteristic of Mac Baren's quality craftsmanship. Number 1. Raw 79mm Hemp Plastic Cigarette Rolling Machine. Introducing the Raw 79mm Rolling Machine. Achieve perfectly rolled cigarettes with ease every time. Crafted from sustainable hemp plastic, this roller is built to last. Enjoy consistent results for years to come. Designed for the popular 1/4 size papers, it ensures a snug fit and optimal packing. Get the ideal roll every time. Its intuitive design makes rolling straightforward, even for beginners. Just load, roll, and enjoy. Experience the quality and reliability that Raw is known for. This rolling machine is a must-have for any smoker. What we like. If you prefer a simple and effective rolling experience, this machine is a great option. It's designed for convenience and produces consistent results. For users who appreciate a straightforward and reliable rolling aid, this is highly recommended. What people say. The Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks offer a smooth and consistent burn, allowing for an enjoyable smoking experience. These sticks are well constructed and maintain their shape throughout use, preventing any mess or inconvenience. The aroma produced by the Mac Baren Tobacco Sticks is pleasant and not overpowering, enhancing the overall sensory experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.